This clock represents the nostalgia of the city. This clock was installed in 1999. It was built by the Verdon Company of Cincinnati, Ohio. What really concerned me with the clock was how much it faded. It was semi-restored in 2014, but it's lost a lot of its luster due to the sun and weather. And there's a lot of parts on there that aren't actually as they were when it was originally installed in 1999. If you look at the lions where the rings are, those were gold. I want to bring them back to gold. So it should really make the clock stick out a lot more. It's lost a lot of its gloss. So we just want it to look the way the city needs it to look. So we want to bring it back to its original state. We've hired AAG specialists in renovation to restore the clock, and hopefully when we're all done, you'll have something really great to look at.
Some golden elements were ignored and missed during the previous restoration. And in reality, if we go to the website of the manufacturer, this is like this, really nice and
much brighter.
Exactly, that's gorgeous, that's really beautiful. So the idea to bring it back to original brilliance as much as we could. We are removing now these 4 lion heads. Why? Because we need to also treat perfectly and properly the surface which is beneath. And you see it's pretty dirty there. Without removing them, it's impossible to get rid of all dirt, all grease, deposited over years. So we should be very delicate in treating this because it's plastic, not a metal. We've done projects in many countries. Our portfolio includes Russia, Turkey, Italy. Now we are in the United States, we are in Florida. We are extremely happy that, small cities, small towns really appreciate what we are doing. And then we see, the clock, which is part of the community. And we are very happy that people see it now back to nice and beautifully maintained and preserved for future generations.